Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to confirm bank account on PayPal Business. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type paypal.com. This will land you on the official website of PayPal where you will have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your PayPal Business account. Now once you're successfully logged in, if you have already added your bank account on PayPal, then in order to confirm it, you will have to click on this gear icon in the top and then you will have to click on account settings. Now in the account settings, you will have to hover over to the left hand section and you will have to click on money, banks and cards. Now here in the money, banks and cards, if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see your bank account. Now you can even add a new bank account if you want to. Then right next to your bank account, you are going to see the option of manage. So if you click on the manage button, you will be landed on the next page where PayPal will ask you to provide the two deposits that they have sent you on your bank account. So you will have to open your bank account and there you will have to view the transactions from PayPal. After that, you will have to put those transactions on that section and you simply need to click on that confirm button. Once done, your bank will be automatically confirmed and you don't need to do anything else. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.